Welcome to the channel. If you're looking to master the art of investing in stocks and build long-term wealth, then you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into one of the most influential books in the world of investing, Common Stocks and Uncommon Profits by Philip Fisher. This timeless classic has shaped the strategies of legendary investors like Warren Buffett. So, buckle up, because by the end of this video, you'll be equipped with powerful insights that could transform your approach to investing. Before we dive into the book's key ideas, let's talk a bit about the author, Philip Fisher. Fisher was an American stock investor and investment consultant who pioneered the idea of qualitative analysis in investing. He was one of the first to emphasize the importance of looking at a company's management, competitive position, and growth potential rather than just focusing on numbers. Summary of the book: Common Stocks and Uncommon Profits focuses on the long-term strategy of investing in growth stocks, those that can provide sustainable profits and exponential growth over time. Fisher emphasizes the importance of thorough research and the need for patience, recommending a more thoughtful, less transactional approach to investing. Key takeaways: 1. The importance of understanding the business. Fisher insists that before investing in any company, an investor must have a deep understanding of the business. This means looking beyond just the numbers, getting to know the company's products, market, competitors, and its long-term potential. A successful investor isn't just buying a stock, they're buying into the future of a company. 2. Focus on quality over quantity. One of Fisher's core principles is to focus on a select group of high-quality stocks rather than diversifying into hundreds of mediocre ones. He advocates for holding on to great stocks for the long term, rather than constantly chasing after the latest market trends. Patience and careful selection of stocks that have long-term potential is key. 3. The 15 points to look for in a stock. Fisher introduces his famous 15 points to look for in a stock, a checklist of criteria to help identify high-quality companies that can produce exceptional returns. These include factors like strong management, innovative products, and a favorable industry position. This framework is essential for anyone who wants to evaluate a company beyond surface-level metrics. 4. Management is key. According to Fisher, one of the most important aspects of investing in stocks is analyzing the management team. He argues that good management can turn a good company into a great one, while poor management can destroy value, even in a company with strong fundamentals. A company's leadership must have integrity, foresight, and a track record of success. 5. The long-term perspective. Fisher encourages investors to think long-term. He emphasizes that short-term market fluctuations should not distract you from your primary goal, finding companies with the potential to thrive over decades. This long-term focus allows investors to benefit from compounding returns and avoid emotional decisions based on short-term market movements. 6. The importance of research. Fisher advises investors to do their homework thoroughly. Research isn't just about looking at a company's financials, it's about understanding its industry, the competition, and its management philosophy. This kind of in-depth research allows you to identify stocks that are positioned to grow in the future. Why this book is important for investors today: in today's fast-paced, information-overloaded world, it's easy to get swept up in the latest news or trends. But Fisher's message is more relevant than ever. Successful investing is about taking a step back, doing your due diligence, and focusing on quality companies that can withstand the test of time. By applying Fisher's principles, you can build a portfolio of companies with strong fundamentals and growth potential, rather than getting caught in the chaos of short-term speculation. Why you should read this book: if you're serious about growing your wealth and mastering the stock market, Common Stocks and Uncommon Profits should be on your reading list. Fisher's insights are not just for beginners, they are valuable even for seasoned investors looking to refine their approach. This book teaches you to think like a true investor, not just someone who buys and sells stocks, but someone who owns a part of a thriving, future-oriented business. If you found this summary valuable, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more book summaries and investing tips that will help you on your path to financial success. Have you read Common Stocks and Uncommon Profits yet? What did you think? Let me know in the comments below. And if you haven't picked it up, I highly recommend you do. Your future self will thank you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.